Sairam, dear children, welcome to EVS class. Let us start the class by chanting Omkar 3 times. Om. 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 Sairam, children. Children, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 14, the story of food. The story of food. Okay, children. See, in our family, all the members are working, isn't it? Household work. Sometimes we have to do some work outside home and also inside home, isn't it? So, family members share the household work amongst themselves, isn't it? Each person chooses to do some work on a regular basis. Suppose, as you are a child, what is your regular work? Getting up early in the morning. After getting up, you have to do brush. You're brushing the teeth. After that, you have to take a bath, isn't it? Wear clean clothes, have breakfast, and help mother in kitchen and father also. If grandparents are there, you can help them also, isn't it? So we are doing some work in regular basis. That is called duty. Okay, that is the duty of a person. The work that we do on a regular basis is called duty. When family members agree to share duties, everyone is happy, isn't it? Otherwise, the workload of a particular person will be increased, isn't it? That make the person, what happened? The person will become so tired after doing a lot of work, isn't it? So all of us are sharing the duty, and we are doing the duty in happy mood, isn't it? Otherwise, some people do some more work and it causes unhappiness at home. So children can help parents, isn't it? Grandparents also, how can they help? Can help mother in the kitchen, can water the what plants, can fill their water bottles, can do their work themselves. This is also a duty of a child. Okay, children. See, grandparents, they can also help. How can they help? They can help the children in studies. They can take care of babies and teach it, and they can tell stories to children. So all the family members work in the home by sharing their duties, isn't it? So sharing is there, caring is there, loving is there, cooperation is there, and they can understand each other also. No? Suppose somebody is not feeling well, then that time we will other members will take the duty of that particular person and divide and do. And isn't it? So understanding is there. Is it clear to children? So in
Yes,
our family, yeah,
yes, ma'am.
we have to do so many duties.
मैम
Yes, children.
good evening मैम
Yes,
थोड़ा सा
yes.
डिस्टर्बेंस है
Okay,
फिर भी हम कंटिन्यू
okay,
करेंगे मैम ओके
okay. Now we are going to uh, see a worksheet from the data cassette. Let me to take it. Okay, children. School's name, name and oh, signing. Yes, it is coming. Okay, children, it is here. Our lesson is 14, that is the story of food. First one, kind of work done in families by different members. Let us see. Here it is. One. My family duties. See. See what? See, one boy is brushing the teeth. He's taking bath, wearing new clothes, means clean clothes, having breakfast, studying, doing homework, and also helping mother to bring the vegetables or arranging the table. So he is helping. Let us see. I- Is this a good habit of brushing the teeth? Yes, it is a good habit. All these are good habits, isn't it, see, children? So it is here written good habits. Now, what is the heading given? Look at each picture carefully and write its number next to the sentence describing it. It is described here. What is he doing? The description is here. We have to write the number to the particular description. Okay. What is he doing? He is brushing the teeth. Where is it? Yes, where is it? Yes, it is here. What is the number? It is number 1. Here the number 1. So we have to put the number 1 here. Okay, children? We will put number 1 here and 2. What is he doing? Taking a bath. Okay, where is it? Yes, it is 2. Now, what is he doing? He is wearing a clean cloth, wear clean clothes. Yes, it is 3. Now, fourth one, what is he doing? He is eating his food, isn't it? So, eat healthy food. It is 4. Now, what is he doing? He is doing his homework. He is studying. So, this is study. 5. Sixth number is helping his mother in the kitchen. Okay, let us see. Now we can view the answer, also answers. Yes, our guessings were correct, So now we are going to see another worksheet. We are family, good habits. See, children. Look at the pictures in the table. 3 pictures are given and write down 3 things you do at home that are similar to the ones shown here. Okay, we have to write it here. Also mention with whom you do these things at home. Okay. First question, first picture. What is the boy doing? The child doing? Yes, he is helping her mother to arrange the food items on the dining table. He is laying the yes, dining table, and to whom here he helps her mother, isn't it? You have to write your own answer here. This is an example given. Okay, children. Here, what is here? Second picture. We can see grandfather. He is reading a storybook and these children are enjoying. So, we can write here. Now, what are these children doing? They are drawing and coloring the pictures, and so we can see the answer. What is given here? Let us see. Yes, here lay the dining table. He helps to his mother read a storybook. Mother, grandmother, grandfather, it is your choice. In your home, who is reading a story for you? You can write here. Okay, children. Now, do drawing and coloring, sister, brother, or friend. Okay. So, you can write your own answer here. Can you do this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it interesting? You can draw the picture also. Okay, and color
Yes,
it. And
yes, ma'am.
it will have a fun. Okay, children. We are going to uh, see some in the textbook. Let me to come here and I want to take the textbook. Yes. Yes. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. The story of food.
Okay. Story of food. Okay. See, here two families pictures are given. See, this one from top to bottom. Venu's family. Here it is Rani's family. Okay. See, here these two people are working. They are doing their household work. Here mother is grinding and he is sweeping the floor, and here three of the people, all the family members are sitting together and eating together, isn't it? And after that, these people are reading the newspaper and the child is playing. She is riding the bicycle. So, see, next one. Here, Rani's family, here the lady is, she is cooking here, and the girl child, she is serving the food to the gents people. And when two people are sitting here and they are eating. But here, all the people are not sitting together and eating. Here we can see all the people are sitting together and eating together. Now, after that, what happened? These people are doing all the household work, isn't it? Here we can see these two, the girl child and the lady. And they are doing the work. Here also they are doing the work, but here they are not sitting together and eating. Only the men, the gents are sitting and eating the food. Isn't it? Then this man is taking rest. These people are working. So now we can compare these two families, isn't it? Now here sharing of work is there, togetherness is there. We can see they are sitting together and eating, and they are very happy also, isn't it? They are very happy. Now, here what happens? They are doing work. These people are eating. After that, they can finishing their work in the kitchen. They can sit and eat. And after finishing their work, they have to go outside for doing some work. And see, these people are doing work. So, this is the difference between these two families. Either here it is sharing is there, togetherness is there. Here there is no sharing of duties. These people are, this man is taking rest. These people are working, isn't it? Now look at the pictures given above. So we have discussed, isn't it? What kind of work are people doing in both the families? Already we discussed. Next question is your family like any one of these families? Two families pictures are given. So we have to see which families we resemble, this ones or this ones. If yes, like this, which one? How is your family is like theirs? So you have to write. Next one is if not. Let us talk about your family. Do all the people in your family eat together? If all the members are sitting together and eating together? If not, why? So many reasons may be there. Suppose your father comes from office very late. The children they eat the dinner early, isn't it? So many. This is an example, just an example. So many reasons are there. You can write your own answer here. Now, who eats last in the family? Okay, who does not help in cooking food in the family and why? The family members who the the member who does not help in cooking food? Then you can write and why. So many reasons may be there. So you can write it here. The reason why the person who is not helping in cooking in the family. Okay, children. Now, next one. Here it is a table given. In the table, some of the work done in the house has been mentioned. Here, household work, cooking food, buying things from the market, sweeping the floor, cleaning the utensil, filling water. So, these are some examples given. And next table, who does the work in your house and in your friend's house? Is it clear, children? Suppose this is cooking food. Okay. In your, who is cooking in your house, and you can ask to your friend who is cooking your friend's house. Next, buying things from the market, you can write in your house and in your friend's house. Sweeping the floor, cleaning the utensils, filling the water. Three more dashes are given, you can fill up. Okay, what are the things we can fill there? Yes, children. Yes, washing the clothes we can write, dusting, mopping the floor, watering the plants, isn't it? Cleaning, yes, it is written here, cleaning the utensils. So many work, household work are there. We can write any three more, and you can write who does the work in your house and who does the work in your friend's house. Is it clear, children? Can you do this? And after
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
you can do one more question. Who does more work? In your house, who is doing more work? And in your friend's house. Okay. We can get the answer from this table. Who is doing more work and who is doing more work in your friend's house. Okay, children. So you can do this. And now we are going to stop today's class. Let us do Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children. Take care. Bye bye.